the psychological, I'm sorry if I cry, and emotional trauma they put us through after we give our lives to save patients is just, it's unbelievable.
On what may be her last day as a nurse with Trinity Health, Caitlin Erdy fought back tears. But these weren't tears of joy, they were tears of sadness. She says the health system will fire her because she didn't receive the COVID vaccine or an approved religious exemption. Erdy tells Fox 2 Trinity denied her religious exemption 3 times, but she has coworkers who were approved. Did they give you an explanation why your religious exemption was denied, but you have employees who were approved?
No. They state that I don't meet the criteria. When asked what this criteria is, they do not have an answer for me. To work through COVID, to have a healthcare hero sign placed in front of my lawn, and then to work for an organization that their mission is that they work in the spirit of the gospel, and they are not valuing my spiritual beliefs.
As hospitals across Metro Detroit battle a rise in COVID, flu, and RSV cases much earlier than usual, it appears Trinity Health Michigan will continue without some of its workforce. A Trinity nurse shared this letter with Fox 2, talking about the need for a vaccination or an approved exemption by Friday. At any point, was it ever brought up to you that a patient or a parent may have felt uncomfortable with your vaccination status?
No, actually, I have several patients who have written letters to our CEO who are very upset about this. So I understand the need for vaccination. I understand the safety of our patients is the utmost importance. But I also understand legally that I have rights for my religious beliefs.
Erdy isn't the only one facing termination. Bethany Roth says she filed for a religious exemption last year, only to learn it was denied without explanation.
It's a terrible feeling when someone tells you that your religious belief is not valid.
In a statement, a spokesperson for Trinity Health said it's working with a, quote, small number of workers who aren't vaccinated or have an approved exemption. It continued to say in part, quote, our goal is to retain everyone by providing education to assure they meet the vaccine requirements established by the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services for healthcare workers at those hospitals or providers who accept Medicare and Medicaid. Caitlin Erdy, Bethany Roth, and several other colleagues have filed a class action lawsuit against the health system. Brandon Hudson, Fox 2 News.